Hello everyone, our group is called 6, and today we will be introducing our website. This is the about Us page, which describes our task assignments. Our website is aimed at people who are involved in cycling and who can use the prediction system to analyze outdoor routes to help them train and learn better. Our website has three types of user: athlete, coach, and both athlete and coach. Firstly, there is our registration page where you can register by filling in your details and selecting the type of the user you want to register. The email, username, and password are strictly verified to ensure that they are formatted or unique. And now, I will demonstrate the three different user logins. The first one is athlete. After login, we will jump to the dashboard. This shows some very common information the user can view after login. Then we can through our toolbar. We can view some of the function and jump to them by click on them. Then we go to the uh, user's information page, which shows most of the user's personal information. And you can change update your information in profile. Now log out. The second is the coach. As coach, he will have more functions than than our athlete, such as creating a group. But he will also not be able to join a group. Finally, the user is both an athlete and a coach. This user has the same rights as the coach but can join and create group at the same time. Next, 下一周 will show the rest of this section for users who are both athlete and coach.
Now I'm going to discuss course part. You can see this area is empty because we haven't uploaded our GPX file. Okay, now I click to update. Now this part, you can see the course information here. Let's view this. We just upload a course. This area displays map of it. We can also zoom in or zoom out. We also added two nodes to segment the course into three parts. You can click the nodes to check the distance and elevation. These are the implementation of our second main user story, which is as a coach, I would like to easily split the course into appropriate segments, add a new course, and change a course. You can also try to delete it. Our course 1 disappear. We'll upload again. Let's try search for all our courses. You can click this to reset. Let's search for course 1. The course name formed automatically, so the first course is always course 1. Let's move on to the prediction model part. And here you can create a back profile. Like edit the back name, select the type. But for saving time, I already created one. Let's use that. Actually, for some data here, we don't use that in the calculation because our capacity is lacking. So this may lead our predictions less accurate. And for CDA, we can ignore it because we already said that. We also have to edit our personal profile to get my body data. My profile is good and complete. So after we collect back data and the profile data, we can create a race. It's called race 1. And select back 1. Actually, we didn't calculate the weather effect in our prediction model. This will be our expectations. Now I input these values. I just randomly type any number. This is our prediction model, and this is also our most important user story, which is as a coach, I would like to easily access the outcome from the prediction tool. This shows the total time and average speed and average power of course 1. We use the data from course 1, back 1, and race 1. The first graph shows the speed, and this one shows the power. As for the group part, if you are a coach, you can create a group. You can name the group and then set a join code. This one is unique for athlete to search for groups. We choose the type of the group and then create. Our group created successfully. You can see the leader name is my name. This one is also our fourth main user story, which is as a coach, I have several athletes with me at the same time. I do need to check the list and pick any of them to check the details. Actually, the group part function is not available yet. You can't view the group member information right now, but this may be fixed in the future. If you are a normal athlete, you can search the group ID and then enter the join code to join the group. This one is also one of the most important user story, which is as an athlete, I would to give the permission to my coach to view and trace my details. This part is also not finished. For the announcement part, we can only create an announcement in this kind of way. But to share the GPX file with group members is also not complete. That's all the functions we showed. And in general, the final version of our project still cannot meet our own expectations. In fact, there are some details that we should do better, but due to time problems, some places are a little bit rushed. And because the design of these websites at the beginning of the project was the responsibility of the front-end members, and we didn't have enough time. So the unnecessary user input on the website was not deleted. These are also areas that we should improve. The reason we choose these user stories is I think if the whole project is completed, the functionality of that part will be a huge advantage over the same type of websites. So in the future, we plan to add more data that affects the prediction model to the calculation. It also allows coaches to share courses with group members, and coaches and athletes can set their own schedules to make training plans and complete the group function. That's all of the presentation. Thank you.